Dean is an exceptionally gifted student, known as the most intelligent in his class. His sharp mind allows him to excel in academics, but his giftedness makes it challenging to connect with his peers. While he stands out for his brilliance, he quietly hopes to build meaningful relationships and bridge the gap between himself and those around him.
Good morning, class! Good morning, ma'am! Okay, please sit your seat. Thank you. Kamusta kayong lahat? Nakapagpahinga ba? Yes! That's good. Bago tayo magsimula, kamusta yung inyong weekend? Okay, Sina?
Well, I spent my time with my family po, Mom.
Wow, that's good. How about Pato?
Nagdagat yung family ko.
Oh, nagdagat. How about Doris? Nag-hike po kami, ma'am, ng family. Wow, adventure. How about Evan? Punta po kami ng beach, ma'am. Naligo. Wow, that sounds fun. How about you, Muktadir? How's your weekend?
Spending my weekend reading quantum mechanics.
Wow, that sounds very interesting. Thank you, class, for sharing what you did over the weekend. So now, let's get started. Last time, we talked about algebra. Now, who can solve this? Okay, class, who can solve this? Anyone? Yes, Buka? Wow, Buka, that's right. You got it right.
Ayan na naman si Buka. Palagi na lang siya. Such a know-it-all.
Okay, class, did you get our lesson for today? Yes, ma'am. That's good. So tomorrow, mag-ilang na tayo sa parehong oras at dito na lamang magtatapos ang ating klase. Thank you, ma'am. Class, pinatawag ko kayo ngayon kasi pansin ko yung inyong ugali o pagtawag kayo pa. Ano napansin ko kayo ba? Masyado sa akong matalino, ma'am. Para kayo namin magpagkaibigan sa kanya kasi hindi namin siya kalala. Yung hindi maganda na iwasan sa mukha kasi matalino siya at hindi mo ma-reach kung ano yung nagkakabilidad sa ating klase. So, imbis na iwasan niyo siya, pwede kayong magpaturo sa kanya. Since matalino siya, pwede kayong magpaturo sa kanya sa mga lesson na hindi mo maunawaan. Di ba mas maganda yun? Yes, ma'am. Okay, so ngayon, huwag na siyang iwasan at unti-unti kayo lumapit para magpaturo at para magkaroon din siya ng kaibigan sa klase ko natin. Okay ba yun? Yes, ma'am. Okay, that's good.
Uy, si Buka! Buka! Gusto mo pang tumabay?
Tara, sige.
Ikaw ka dito.
Uy, galing naman kanina. Baka pwede ba
Ayun.
magpaturo sa'yo?
Tay,